Hi there! GrowthDot provides a lot of Zendesk integrations to optimize the workflow within this help desk platform. With the Proactive Campaigns app, you can segment users, send unique mass emails, internal or external, and other types of messages. Build templates with a drag and drop builder. Create automated campaigns and update user fields. This plugin is also available for Intercom and Jira Service Management platforms. The email tracking app will help you to track emails and links open and view the statistics about open and bounce rates. Also available for Freshdesk. To send video tutorials or video answers, or request a video from your customer, there is a Zendesk integration called Video Reply. It contains a lot of sharing options between agents to improve teamwork. Deleting and anonymizing user data, related tickets, and organizations, as well as redacting attachments and retrieving customer info is possible with the GDPR Compliance for Zendesk. For managing deals with sales pipelines or support tickets with the board view, there is a CRM and Kanban app. This combo includes the CRM platform and Kanban boards to close deals and tickets from one place. Need to permanently delete users, tickets, and organizations from the support? Purge My Zendesk application can do this with just a few clicks. In case you want to regularly collect feedback on the customer service you provide, NPS and Survey helps you create different types of surveys and embed them into tickets. If your Zendesk plan includes knowledge base, you can also try fully customizable themes or order an individual one. Monitor our website, and you will be the first to know about new apps and fresh updates. See you there.